Hello everyone, this is just a short video for our foreign friends. Because recently we got lots of messages from people who don't understand German, and they said they like the video but they have no clue what we are talking about. And they asked us to produce English subtitles. Actually, that's what we did in the first videos after starting in Turkey, but it's so much work. And also, there is no need for us to produce our own subtitles because they are already produced by YouTube. And I just want to show you how it works. If you go to our videos, all you have to do is first press the button CC, which is the one for the subtitles. Just activate it. If it's activated, you can see here this small red line. And then you can choose your own language. To choose your language, you have to go to the settings now, which is a button right to the subtitles, this one. And then go to subtitles. Now you have to choose your language, and you can choose between lots of different languages. All you have to do is to click auto translate, and then you can see it starts with Afrikaans for you, Paul and Lala, and maybe Mark. But actually he doesn't understand Afrikaans, even if he's from South Africa. Or for Lee we have Welsh, which sounds a little bit strange, and I don't know if it works, but maybe. Just to show how it works, we choose English, or even Turkish is also available. Actually the translation is quite good. Not everything is translated in the correct way, but at least you get an idea what we are talking about. English is really good, and probably Welsh or Afrikaans isn't that good, I don't know. But also Turkish works. So if you like to watch our videos, just choose your subtitles and you can listen to what we are saying.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call